welcome to Clark's Place. It's finally that time. We reached our 1,000 subscribers, so thank you everybody.
Yep.
We really appreciate it. It's the FLG4 giveaway that I've had that video up there for like a year, and we gave some people in Hebron. I think we got one more person from Hebron to actually get in there and get in on the competition.
These are the names.
We have 20. You take a couple sheets. And
20.
You read some names. I'll read some names.
We got Shauna Simpson.
Sean Simpson.
Sean, okay. And they've got numbers after them. I'm not going to read them. It's just something from, what, YouTube?
Yeah.
Kenneth Fisher, Chris Peters, Bobby McKinney, and Old Car Garage.
Yeah, Old Car Garage USA is the guy that, he actually has a YouTube channel too. Right. So the next ones are 1968 Charger, at Chuck Nietzsche 8333, at Mikey Mopar 1171, at Benson Porter 1384, at Homer 13 Martinez, and at Florida Mojo.
And then we got Vanilla Gorilla, Ed Cook, Mama Ma Non 3072,
Mana Man on 3072.
Sobe Andy, Steve Collins.
SOB.
Oh, SOB.
That's what I get. SOB.
Okay. Steve Collins, 7224.
I don't know if that's Steve Collins from Florida that is part of the Mustang Club, but it may be.
It probably is. And then what is that? Is that eBay?
B-Boy or B-Bay 1977.
Okay, that's my 10 or 15.
Okay, I just have one here. At Ryan Rambles 2731. At Michael Adamo, our 1,000 subscriber. Thank you for subscribing, Michael. And actually talking back and forth with me while we were at the
Hebron?
No, not Hebron. Carlisle show. So yeah, cool. Good guy. And at Matthew Jr. 1861, and at Doug Hoare 6020. If he wins, though, he's disqualified because he's over here too much.
Yeah.
If he wanted a gun, we would have given it to him 6 months ago.
Yeah.
So we'll cut these up. We'll do everything live, or not live, but we're recording.
Here's we're gonna cut. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut every one of these and fold them up. We're gonna put them in this box. Shake, and then if we had a small child here or something, or
you're a small child,
or a girlfriend or a wife or somebody that could do this, do the drawing, it would be much less controversy.
No, then I'd have a woman in my life, and I'm not ready for that right now.
Okay, I'm making these all the same size. So
that's why people tune in to watch us cut paper.
Right. It'll only be another minute, but we really appreciate all the people asking to receive the gun. I know it took a long time because it took us, seemed like we lost traction there for a while, and then all of a sudden, boom, it just took off.
We never lost traction. I don't know what you're talking about. We never lost traction. We gained a person a day for 2 years. That's 1,000 subscribers.
How are we doing these? We gonna fold them?
I don't think so. That's too much time. Let's just here. Just kind of fluff them up.
Well, they're not in any particular.
Uh-oh. Dude, Kenneth, you're trying to be disqualified.
Kenneth Fisher tried to jump out of the box.
Here we go. We're not looking at anything.
Drop them down in there.
I looked. I saw Old Car Garage, but I gotta. Did they all go in?
Yep, none of them on the floor yet.
All right, so shake them up.
All right, you want to draw them?
I'll let you draw.
Okay, hold them up high. So, and the winner, get off of there. The winner is, whoops, here, Vanilla Gorilla.
Vanilla Gorilla.
3809.
What is it? Vanilla Gorilla 3809.
That's the winner. Now what we'll do is we'll contact him.
I'm gonna put a comment in the original FLG4 video, just commenting saying you won Vanilla Gorilla, and what we said, I think in our maybe summary video of Carlisle, I think we said we could do the cash equivalent. Pops looked up today. You can find these guns on eBay for 150 to 200 bucks. Eastwood has it. They're out of stock right now.
So is Summit. They're out of stock.
And Summit is out of stock. Their price is $220-ish.
220, 228.
So what we decided is we'll do a cash equivalent, $250.
250.
250 bucks. If you want 250 bucks, we'll send you 250 bucks.
And if you want to buy something off eBay or when they come in stock, you can buy. You might get them a little cheaper, but you'll have $250, or we'll get you the gun.
And the price that we saw for Eastwood was with the 3 tips, with the cup, and all that good stuff.
Right.
Just like our gun, which I could get our gun and show you, but
it's a nice spraying gun.
we love it. And vanilla, if that's something you're going to use and you're going to paint some cars with it, and you need a good primer gun, this is an excellent one. We just saw that there's an FLG4 out there, but I don't know if it's a comparable gun or not.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just an upgrade. It's got an extra tip with it. What it is, but
So we may do another giveaway for an FLG4 used when we get an FLG5.
yeah.
When DeVilbiss sponsors us and we've got millions of dollars in the bank.
Oh, that'd be great.
That'll happen then. How's that? Let's hope for those days.
We'll hope.
So thank you, everybody. We appreciate the 1,000 subscribers. I think we're up to 1,100 already now.
Yeah.
Once we hit 1,000, it seems like boom, boom, boom.
That's what I'm saying.
A lot of people.
Seemed like it just went along, and then all of a sudden, boom, from Carlisle. We've never been to that show, and now it's like
I made some homemade business cards for the first year, and then it was 40 bucks. So if you're gonna do anything, any YouTube channel or something, who's the All-Star City Cars and Mopars, I'll put his little thing at the bottom here. He had a nice little business card that just said subscribe to my channel, and he was handing them out, and he's got 10 times the amount of subscribers that I do, and he just hands out a simple business card. So it looks nice, and it was 40 bucks at Staples to have it done. And our cards look really nice. I don't think we have any to show, but
no, we don't.
In any event, it's a longer story, a little shorter. Thank you again, everybody.
Thank you,
we really appreciate it.
Thanks for watching all of our videos.
Yeah, we're genuinely happy to record all of our projects. We don't brainstorm and come up with, hey, let's go out to the garage and come up with something we can put on YouTube.
That's just what we do every day.
That's not our motivation to try to make money on YouTube, but we make a ton of mistakes, and we make enough progress and enough cool things happen that I think our viewers are interested in a lot of it. And we love Mopars. I think you can tell that by our surroundings. Yeah, we need to put that over there.
Oh, the bumper.
Yeah, I would like it over there.
The 70 bumper up there.
We'll turn that around before the camera's done. Okay. But yeah, so we make content that I think we enjoy, and a lot of people have commented they really enjoy our videos too. So thank you to everybody.
Yep.
We'll do the next promotion for 10,000 people. Okay. That video will be up for 6 years. We'll give away a car in 10 years. How's that? He says, on that note, done. So here, we'll show the 70 bumper.
Yeah.
And we're out. Vanilla Gorilla.
Congrats.
Congrats, brother. And then there's the little 70 bumper. We gotta find a better spot for him. But future things we're gonna work on, since we might as well do an update video, since he's got his rear end. I've got probably 10 or 15 videos to catch up on, just because I've been going through all the headrun footage.
Yeah.
So he's done quite a bit of work to this. We got it all welded in. We did some of that work yesterday.
I got it in the trunk. There'll be a video coming out of me in the trunk.
On fire.
On fire.
On fire.
Well, not me, but the sheet I was sitting on.
Don't weld on a sheet. That's
no, don't. But
don't do that.
It was too hard to. Try to get in the trunk of a Daytona truck. A regular Charger, you can climb right in.
Oh yeah, there's
so little.
I can barely get my big ass hips through there, but plenty of videos on that. I don't think we've really done anything on the Challenger recently.
Nope.
I just straightened out my front radiator
Did a
support.
video of that.
Did some welding on that yesterday, and clean up, getting it ready for sealer. White sealer, which I was thinking it needed to be cooler down here because it's so dang hot. It's 95 degrees, 110 is what it feels like outside every day.
It sprays on like primer.
So I might go ahead and do the primer, and maybe in the next week you'll see me coat that thing in white. And I still got to sand all the backs of my doors and trunk deck and hood.
Yeah.
So and then I'll be ready to do the whole insides of everything. So, what are you looking at?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were looking.
I was just looking at that light over there.
I know, it's blinding. I thought, okay, new light this time, as I thought we'll put some light on us, see if it makes a difference. So,
We'll see.
what was the other difference I just did? Oh, I also put out the Hebron cars for sale in the vertical format, and it got 70 views yesterday when I posted it. So
That way
maybe
it's
there's
easy
an
to watch on your phone.
maybe there's more people that would watch our stuff if we put it on the phone. So
Yeah.
we may experiment with doing widescreen versions and long screen versions and see which one wins. I know most of our viewers are between the ages of 40 and 65. That's the bulk of our viewers. We have a few 18-year-olds that watch. We have 5% females that watch, and a half of 1% other watches.
Uh-oh.
We have one other that watches us. So thank you, other. And we have, I think like 18% of our views are from Canada as well. So thank you, Canadians. We're done with this promotion. Vanilla Gorilla 3809. Thank you. You're our winner. Let us know. We'll email on that video, on this video as well. I'll try to send a message. I'll figure something out.
Okay.
And then if you want the thing, we'll send it to you. If you don't want the thing, we'll send you some money. We'll be done.
Okay.
Anything else?
I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
All right.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.